going to be my first time trying out Japanese food. I've been eating their snacks and other things. But today I'm going to eat Japanese food. And this is ramen and udon. Udon and ramen. Oh, yeah. So this is it here. I really don't know if I'm going to like it, but I just wanted to eat their ramen today. I already wanted to eat their ramen. I pray I like it. Okay. So we're trying ramen for the first time. I really don't know how to eat it, but I'm going to just use this and taste this liquid. It's tasty. I always thought that it was going to be tasteless, but the water is tasty. It's tasty. So let me try the ramen now. So this is my first time trying to use chopsticks to eat. Just hope I hold it well. Yeah. Okay. I don't think I'm doing bad for the first time. It's really hot, but it's nice. I like it. Yeah. So udon ramen. Yeah, it's a yes for me. I like it. In fact, I love it.